What's going on, guys? Roger's Lawn Care here. We got a couple yards today to mow. We got about 5 to mow after work. So we're doing the usual, try to knock out as many as I can within a couple, 2-3 hours before dark. And we'll try to get these all done. Hopefully about all 5 of them, and about half of the last one. I got weeds and banks and stuff, so I have to say that's probably for tomorrow. But get most of the mowing done. Got all the big stuff pretty much knocked out of the way. That way tomorrow and Thursday and Friday is going to be a lot easier for me. We ain't got a whole lot of time, so I'm going to get on this mower, get the mowing, and I'll catch you guys back here in a minute. That's pretty much all I have for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, please go ahead and hit the like. Subscribe for more content if you want to see this later, more videos later on in the future. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions, any recommendations, anything. I always comment back to every comment down posted. Not a whole lot going on in this video, not a whole lot of mowing. We knocked out a lot of yards pretty quick. Some you didn't see that I didn't record. I'm actually recording this outro like days after because I forgot to record one. I'm bad at doing that. Yeah, guys, that's all I have for the day. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope you have a wonderful week, wonderful day, wonderful weekend, whatever it is for y'all. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.